Induction slide-ins could be the best cooking product you can buy. Induction can boil faster, yes, even faster than the hottest professional range. You also have an infant simmer with induction. It's also the easiest to clean because the top doesn't heat, so spills do not bake on the cooktop. Because it needs the sense metal to activate, it's also child safe. That said, induction is good cooking technology. But finding an induction range is another matter completely. The pandemic and component issues have made buying induction slide-ins difficult. In this video, you'll learn about the best induction slide-in ranges to consider based on affordability, unique features, and availability. Then you'll see reliability statistics based on real service data. We've logged over 100,000 service calls over the last 3 years. Reliability should be a huge concern because parts have worse availability than even appliances. That is, if you can find a qualified technician to fix your appliances. Miele is the best all-around range from the cooktop to the oven. The stovetop is by far the most powerful, with 3 burners over 3,000 watts, 2 at 3850, 1 at 3100, with a small burner at 2300 watts. However, you buy this for the oven. It has twin convection for more even cooking. The MasterChef guided cooking system is one of the best oven controls you can buy in any cooking product. You simply pick the type of food, the weight, and how you like it cooked. The oven calculates time and temperature automatically. The MasterChef also has different cooking modes covering any type of recipe you could consider. You also can choose 100 different pre-programmed recipes. Miele is also the only oven with steam assist. Moisture is a necessary ingredient for baking bread. There are 15 different automatic settings just for bread. Hit a button and it's done. That's the beauty of Miele. They simplify everything. LG has best navigated the pandemic and all the product shortages after that. You could buy LG everywhere. They were the first with many trends, including Wi-Fi and smart functionality through an app on your phone dubbed ThinQ. With their smart controls, you can turn your oven on or off, set the temperature, get alerts. It's a convenience, but not a necessity yet. LG has a 4,000, 3,200, 1,800, and 200 watt burners. The oven is amongst the largest at 6.3 cubic feet. The other reason to buy LG is for reliability. They were the most reliable brand sold at Miele last year with a 4.4% service rate. Cafe Double Oven has the most capacity at 7 cubic feet split between 2 ovens with decent output on the top with a max burner of 3,700 watts. You even have a warmer of 100 watts as a 5th burner. Beside the advantages of a double oven, Cafe is a smart range like LG. They're always adding modes as well. Last year, thousands of existing Cafe customers found a new turkey mode button on their range with a gobble gobble and new cycle signal. Cafe is also different. You have several different finishes like black, white, and stainless, with the ability to accessorize with different handle styles as well. Bosch is the best looking with their clean industrial look and European lines. You can package Bosch well without appliances for a good look in your kitchen. From a specification standpoint, Bosch has a decent stovetop at 3,700, 2,3600, and a 2,200 watt burner for the Benchmark series slide-in. You have a convection oven and a warming drawer underneath as well. Beko, like LG, has been a reliable supplier throughout the pandemic. Their range is pro style, so it looks like a professional range. Burners are okay with 2 at 3,700 watt and 2 at 2,200 watt. Their touted features are serve convection. It may mean that a larger fan moves more air. Capacity is another advertised feature, but at 5.7 cubic feet, it's the second biggest after LG. If you like the Cafe and want a single oven, the GE profile may be a good consideration. The power isn't as good at 3,700 watts, 2 at 2,500, and an 1,800 watt burner. You have the smart functionality of GE with all the modes available through their Smart HQ app. Induction is about the same as appliances in general at 9.6% service in the first year versus 9.5% for appliances in general. However, the problems are mostly electrical, not from the unit itself. Induction ranges, unlike electric, max out the amperage in the circuit. That leaves it vulnerable to surges and voltage spikes. Two of the top problems Are units tripping breakers? And no power to the cooktop. Before you buy an induction range, make sure you have adequate power. Cafe has 2 ovens and should have more problems as a percentage. Miele does have a water line needed to be installed for steam, which is a cause for some of their issues as well. First, check your electrical requirements to avoid issues later. Service, especially on technical products like induction, is important. Find a good service agent in your area before you buy it. Check reviews online as well. For products, Miele is the best if you love to cook. The MasterChef is easy to learn and allows you to cook better and more creatively. LG is well priced for induction. GE will give you smart functionality and 2 ovens. Bosch is the best looking, and Beko will give you a good combination of features. Click the link in the description to download a free induction cooking buying guide. And thanks for watching.